If you're searching for a kitchen appliance that can help simplify meal preparation while delivering delicious results every single day, then you're definitely going to want to learn more about the extra-large 9-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven with LCD touch control. Over the last few years, air fryers have become one of the most popular kitchen appliances on the market, and for good reason. They offer the ability to cook food quickly, create crispy textures with less oil, and provide a convenient alternative to traditional ovens. However, not all air fryers are created equal, and this model aims to stand out with its impressive capacity, modern features, and versatile cooking functions. One of the first things that grabs your attention is the generous 9-quart cooking capacity. Many standard air fryers work well for 1 or 2 people, but they often become limiting when preparing meals for larger households. With this extra-large design, users can cook significantly more food at one time. Whether you're preparing dinner for family members, hosting guests, or simply meal prepping for the week ahead, the spacious cooking basket helps eliminate the need for multiple cooking cycles. The overall appearance of the appliance feels modern and premium. The sleek finish, clean lines, and advanced LCD touch control panel give it a contemporary look that fits comfortably in almost any kitchen environment. Unlike older appliances that rely heavily on mechanical dials and buttons, this unit provides a digital experience that feels much more intuitive and user-friendly. The LCD touch interface is one of the strongest features of the entire package. Everything is clearly displayed and easy to understand. The controls respond quickly, making it simple to select cooking modes, adjust temperatures, and customize cooking times. Even first-time users can become comfortable with the system after only a few minutes of use. Another major advantage is the appliance's 6-in-1 cooking functionality. Instead of serving only as an air fryer, it combines several cooking methods into a single machine. This versatility helps reduce kitchen clutter while expanding your cooking possibilities. Whether you're interested in roasting vegetables, baking desserts, reheating leftovers, or creating crispy fried-style foods, the appliance is designed to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. When it comes to performance, this air fryer oven delivers impressive results. The advanced rapid air circulation system distributes heat evenly throughout the cooking chamber, helping food cook consistently from all sides. This technology creates the crispy texture many people love while maintaining moisture inside the food. The result is meals that taste satisfying without requiring excessive amounts of oil. Foods like French fries, chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, fish fillets, and vegetables all benefit from the appliance's cooking capabilities. The exterior develops a golden, crispy finish, while the interior remains tender and flavorful. This balance is one of the key reasons air fryers have become such a popular choice among home cooks. Speed is another important factor. Traditional ovens often require lengthy preheating periods before cooking can even begin. In contrast, this air fryer oven reaches cooking temperatures much faster, helping users prepare meals in less time. This makes it especially useful for busy households where convenience matters. Whether you're preparing breakfast before work, making a quick lunch, or putting together dinner after a long day, the faster cooking process can save valuable time. Many people choose air fryers because they support healthier cooking habits, and this model is no exception. By relying on rapidly circulating hot air rather than deep oil immersion, it allows users to enjoy crispy foods while reducing overall oil consumption. For individuals seeking healthier meal options without sacrificing flavor and texture, this can be a significant benefit. Consistency is another area where this appliance performs well. One common complaint about lower-quality air fryers is uneven cooking. Food may burn on one side while remaining undercooked on another. Thanks to its efficient heating system, this model helps minimize those issues and produces more reliable cooking results. This consistency allows users to cook with greater confidence and achieve better outcomes more frequently. Cleaning and maintenance are equally important considerations. Fortunately, the appliance is designed with convenience in mind. The removable basket and non-stick interior surfaces help simplify the cleaning process. After cooking, most residue can be removed quickly, reducing the amount of effort required to keep the appliance looking and performing like new. The large cooking chamber also makes meal preparation more efficient. Instead of cooking small portions repeatedly, users can prepare larger quantities in a single session. This feature is particularly useful for families, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys preparing meals ahead of time. Energy efficiency is another overlooked benefit. Because the appliance heats a smaller cooking space compared to a conventional oven, it often requires less energy to complete cooking tasks. Over time, this may contribute to lower energy usage while still delivering excellent performance. The combination of capacity, functionality, speed, and convenience makes this appliance a practical addition to nearly any kitchen. Rather than purchasing several separate devices, users gain access to multiple cooking functions within a single product. This approach not only saves space but also improves overall kitchen efficiency. While the larger size may require additional countertop space, most users will find the increased capacity well worth the trade-off. The ability to prepare larger meals quickly and efficiently can significantly improve the everyday cooking experience. Overall, the extra-large 9-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven with LCD touch control successfully combines advanced technology, user-friendly operation, versatile cooking functions, and reliable performance into one convenient appliance. It offers an excellent solution for anyone seeking healthier cooking options, faster meal preparation, and greater flexibility in the kitchen. Hi guys, if you want to buy this extra-large 9-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven with LCD touch control, then please visit the link provided in the description.